RWA Nation. Today at Resurrection, live here at Dirty P's Tavern, we witnessed massacre. It was not mactastic. Literally, what happened today was simply cheating. Right, simply cheating. Guys, we can't let this happen anymore. I don't know. We can't continue to get jumped and beaten down. Look at your nose, man.
So do we play their games?
You can't just stand by and take it. Who are we? Team Spike?
That's a good point.
So what do we do, guys?
I'll tell you what we do. I'll tell you what we do. We march right in front of the motherfucking conspiracy and punch them directly in the fucking face.
I had something smarter. Street smarter. Maybe it's time that the conspiracy will meet their match. With my brains and bronze and your athletic ability, we create something greater. Something better. Something simply interesting. Street smarts. Street smart.
Street smarts.